Did you know there's a form of money that doesn't exist in physical form, isn't controlled by banks, and people use it to buy everything from cars to pizza and even houses? It's not monopoly money, it's cryptocurrency. You've likely heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, but do you really understand how they work? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the concepts behind these buzzwords, and it's simpler than you might think. Cryptocurrency can feel like this mysterious, high-tech thing reserved for computer geniuses and Wall Street types. But at its core, it's just digital money. Instead of carrying cash or swiping a card, you're using a secure online ledger to send money anywhere in the world. No middlemen, no borders, and best of all, no hefty bank fees. Think about it. When you send money to a friend in another country, how long does it take? Days, right? And fees? Oh, they're high. Cryptocurrency. It's instant and often way cheaper. That's why people are so excited about it. Okay, let's break it down. Imagine you and your friends have a shared notebook. Every time someone borrows or lends money, you write it down. Everyone has a copy of this notebook, so no one can cheat. That's essentially how cryptocurrency works. But instead of paper, it's all digital. The notebook? That's called the blockchain. It's like a giant public record of transactions. And instead of one person being in charge of it, everyone on the network helps maintain it. So if someone tries to change a transaction, everyone else will say, no, that's not what's in our notebook. Now, the currency itself. Think of it as a token. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are these tokens that you can trade, hold, or use to buy stuff. Simple, right? But wait, you might be thinking, if it's all digital, can't someone just hack it? Great question. And here's the cool part. Cryptocurrency is ridiculously secure. Every transaction is locked with cryptography, which is just a fancy word for super strong codes. Think of it like a vault that needs thousands of unique keys to open. And the vault is constantly being checked by millions of computers around the world. If someone tries to mess with a transaction, they'd need to hack all those computers at the same time. Spoiler alert, it's practically impossible. Now, you might have heard about mining. No, it's not people in helmets digging up digital coins. Mining is how new cryptocurrency is created and transactions are verified. It's like solving a giant, super hard math puzzle. The first computer to solve it gets to add a transaction to the blockchain and is rewarded with some cryptocurrency. Boom! Free money. Well, sort of. It takes a lot of electricity, which is why mining is kind of controversial. So why do people care about this digital money? First, it's decentralized, meaning no government or bank controls it. For some, that's a big deal. Second, it's global. You can send money to anyone, anywhere, without worrying about exchange rates or banking hours. And then there's the investment part. Some people treat cryptocurrency like digital gold, hoping its value will skyrocket. Did you know the first Bitcoin was worth less than a penny? Today, one Bitcoin can cost tens of thousands of dollars. That's why everyone's buzzing about it. But hold on, it's not all rainbows and moon missions. Cryptocurrency has its downsides. Prices are super unpredictable. One day, Bitcoin's flying high. The next, it's crashing harder than a failed piñata swing. It's also not the best for the environment. Remember the mining? All that energy comes with a carbon footprint. Plus, since transactions are anonymous, some people use crypto for shady stuff. Don't worry though. Governments and tech experts are working on making it safer and more sustainable. Here's the thing. Love it or hate it, cryptocurrency isn't going away. It's changing the way we think about money, security, and trust. And now you're in the know. Whether you want to invest, use it, or just sound smart at your next dinner party, you've got the basics. So the next time someone says, Bitcoin, blockchain, what's all the fuss? You'll have the perfect answer. It's just digital money, and the future might just depend on it.